In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google Meet account in just a few minutes. Now, it's important to note that deleting your Google Meet account involves deleting your entire Google account, as the two are connected. This means you'll also be disconnecting your Meet account from your phone number and saying goodbye to other Google services you might be using. So let's go through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what you're doing and the implications of this action. First, to get started, you will want to have your Google Chrome browser open, as it simplifies navigating through the Google services. Make sure you are signed into the Google account you wish to delete. You can do this by checking in the upper right corner of the browser. If you see a profile picture or initial, you're already signed in. Once you've confirmed you're signed in, go ahead and click on that profile photo in the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser. This will open a small menu with a few options. What we're interested in here is the option that says manage your Google account, so go ahead and click on that. Now you'll find yourself on the main page for managing your Google account. Here you'll need to scroll down to find the section labelled More Options. This section houses different settings and choices that you might not use every day, but are there for occasions like this when you have specific needs. Within the More Options area, there's an option that says Delete your Google account. This is the step where it gets real, as clicking here will start the process of saying goodbye to your Google account forever. Make sure this is truly what you wish to do, since it's a pretty significant step. After selecting delete your Google account, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Google will ask you to confirm your decision by possibly entering some additional information or verifying your identity to ensure security. These steps are designed to protect your data and account information. It's crucial to understand that deleting your Google account is irreversible and will result in the loss of access to all services associated with that account. This includes Google Meet, Gmail, YouTube, among others. Moreover, all your data on these services, such as emails and photos, will be deleted. Be sure to back up any important data before proceeding. And there you have it. That's how you can delete your Google Meet account, by removing your Google account. Remember, this should only be done if you're ready to relinquish all the linked services and data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.